Sleeping around inside the ocean for a woman I love so much. A woman I sacrificed my life, my everything, my job. I was meant to travel.
Why do you go Zion? You go Zion church. What do you your eye? The doctor can give you job. Find aggression. Mary and Joy should leave. Mary and Joy should leave. You are tired of the soup. What did she do to you? No blood in the miscarriage. No hospital. No doctor to confirm. No test.
Waiting Mary and wise one gets, I won't know.
Waiting do your pikin with joy. The father remove your tongue. Your tongue will go down.
I'm not supporting
your tongue will go down.
The thing is that the two women will go. No one is faithful. The two women will go. That's what I know. Because I cannot. I am talking. I am talking.
If you are talking, I should do what?
I am talking.
I should do what? Okay, I don't want them to your house like this.
Respect yourself.
Shameless
friend. Shameless friend. My girl stays for your house. Nothing I may come back. For one reason. Why my girl? Why my wife go sleep for your on top of your bed? Why Mary?
You are giving me the impression that you are under control. You are giving me the impression that we are fighting you now. Carry phone. Why is that you?
Yes. You know what best?
You are giving me the impression that you are under control.
You know what best?
But when you go play,
you'll be able to say,
you are very stupid.
I'm saying the truth. When you are saying the truth, I'm saying the truth.
Okay.
Mary and wise one, I don't know what each of them gets.
Okay.
I don't know what each of them gets.
Okay. If you are looking for where you put your frustration, it is definitely not on me. If you don't want them, chase them out. Don't be chasing to make mad. They will go, they will go, they will go. I can't know. I have said it, man. It's okay, fine. If I don't pay police, let them go. I will pay police, or you give me go ahead to throw them out. I will pay police. This night, tomorrow morning, police today.
You want you to throw us out so that we take her out. Be careful.
Look
at
this. Be wise.
You want to finish
Look at your mother. Look at your mother. Stretch mark on your fish. Where is
the stretch mark? Show me.
Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me.
Show me now.
Don't come close to me.
Show me. Bring her.
Don't come close to me.
For your man so-called husband, you dey put your hands for another person.
See what you got married to?
I don't say anything.
41 years old woman.
Now woman you be.
41 years old
now
woman.
Woman you be.
What do you have?
Now woman you be.
41 years old woman.
Answer the question. What do you go do for a house?
Yeah, baby. What is all this every time?
You wake up your dagger.
Where do you go?
You wake up your dagger.
Yes, this is my house.
Give me some courage and more than that.
Bring him and send him. The father of that stupid child that you
Your father your own useless bastard child. You bastard. You all ate my child. You all ate my child. You cannot even hurt me. You all ate my child. I only don't know if I will give you belly. I've been at the ends give you belly. Today we still don't know. That's the way they cook for pot. You go soon done. You go soon done.
Today is one of the most regretful day of my life.
Marriage.
Look at what you're opening your mouth to say online. You.
Marriage when me and they fight for. A man that cannot respect his wife. When is my turn?
Do you respect him?
Only this bungalow.
Do you respect him?
Somebody that brought another.
Only this Belenge. Do you respect him? Do you respect him?
Hold on. You picked her from your mother's house. She was in your mother's house. You picked her. They're calling you for her say she don't get abortion. Where the blood for the abortion?
If you're not tired,
which hospital they do the abortion?
What do you want is the blood do?
Miscarriage. Where you get this blood? Say she had miscarriage. Where is the blood? Which hospital? Which doctor? Which doctor?
Where is the baby?
Where the doctor? Where is the baby? She had miscarriage. Where is the blood? Now your mama was in wrong.
What do you want use blood do?
And you cannot say anything.
Ritualist.
Person go come up picking because I talk DNA.
Find blood. Hey.
Because I mentioned DNA. Everywhere they shake you, rush go.
You mentioned. I never see women. Who mentioned DNA? Where is they? Where is they? I not see.
You would not see it now. May the blood of that innocent child come out for your head.
Oh yeah, now.
Don't know me, oh. I will hold it to the very last.
I'm waiting.
I know that this one not be the clear eye. He's saying that go on, go be anything. But on the last round,
wise one.
I don't hear it. I will tell you the
wise one. Let me tell you something.
I am not a
medicine. Medicine or juju can only work when you give that access. Now you give access.
You want to collect your own friend's wife.
Now you give access to wetin dey happen to you. Look at you.
Brother, let's see.
Look at you.
Please,
Look at my brother.
The joint account he said we have. Please, you push help me ask him. My balance in that joint account, I said I removed 3.5 million. The 50 million that I told him that I do business with, please let him release the remaining money inside that joint account. If he does not want my trouble, he should take any other property that he has, but he should give me my balance in that joint.
Ole. Onyohi. The money is still saved. You are still looking for it. It's obvious we know what you want. Hey! Why do you tell him? Onyohi.
Your name is your name. Bring
What do you want to say?
Somebody got you angry. You are transferring aggression. Mary and Joy should leave. Mary and Joy should leave. You are tired of that too. What did she do to you?
Boyfriend
big as you are, you cannot give your wife a business. You are calling yourself celebrity. You are calling yourself, you cannot give your wife ordinary business.
You are having something to do.
Business
for there.
It's your
I don't want to start saying that I brought you up from the gutters. I brought you up.
Somebody brushed you.
I brought you up. Somebody brushed me up, but I'm grateful. Mary, somebody brushed me up.
Before when girls they had.
See,
now you come from the
somebody brushed me up. I'm grateful. I brushed you up. Be grateful. I brushed you up. Be grateful. Up to today, the whole social media not say yes. Now me bring you up. Who are you? Who are you? I made you. I'm not bragging. I made you who you are. Are you okay? Are you okay? Look at this riffraff. Look at this riffraff. I made you who you are. You just want to dry me up. You just want to dry me up. Yeah. Now wrong thing what I do. Now me because all my friends say me can no marry. Now me can go marry.
Give me the money that is remaining in my account. And bring out that phone that you
that
phone where no one released.
I owe you 50 million. Nine your mama they come back on John and Z.
I did not say 50 million.
I owe you 50 million.
You need to go church. I go carry you go Zion.
See, women can lie.
I go carry you.
Women can lie. I owe you 50 million. Your mama they come back on to zinc for you. Who they give her this lie? Who they got this lie? Who said Mary start to count 2 million? Jesus. Who said Mary start to count 2 million? Whoever. Oh, you want to do yes, don't worry. No problem.
I go carry you go Zion.
No wahala.
You go go Zion church. Let your clear eye. Your eye, they don't cook and give you chop.
Why she was doing her own? Why can't people say that she cooked him?
You don't cook and give her.
Why can't
people pray for you?
Somebody loves somebody naturally. It's not done to juju. But when somebody was flinging out,
you don't respect your husband. You want your husband to respect you. Sleeping around? Is that the option?
Lemon.
Sleeping around, is that the option?
David.
Sleeping around, is that the option?
Don't cry my present too.
Sleeping around, you want me to? Sleeping around, is that the option? For a woman I love so much, a woman I sacrificed my life, my everything, my job. I was meant to travel. I destroyed everything because of I love her. Sleeping around, is that the option?
Let him express his feelings.
What is your problem?
Let him express his feelings.
What is your problem? What is your problem? Okay, yeah, what is your problem?
Was looking for money.
Can you be a man for once?
I'm trying to remember.
Being lousy is not being a man. Can you be a
I'm trying to
man?
remember the past right now. Sleeping around Mary, is that the option?
Who did this? What is your...
Mary sleeping around. Is that the option? That's what I'm asking. Someone I call my wife.
This thing you're doing now, is it the right thing to do?
It's the right thing.
In the presence of women, can they bad nature?
I beg you, but don't make me press.
If
I know what I spread, I know what I go through. Sleeping around Mary, is that the option?
Okay.
I'm
What rubbish man? What nonsense are you talking?
What nonsense man?
What idiotic and senseless thing are you talking about?
Why you pick your phone and start calling? Why mass the fire? Mass the fire. Mass the fire. I
This guy about 3 a.m.
Alex,
to come and see the convention.
You cannot do what? But you killed what you carried in your womb.
You killed all of
people here.
You killed my child.
You are getting right to somebody you are how many years older than?
Mary.
Are you my mother? Are you my father? Bring my certificate. Bring my birth certificate.
Two of you should go for holiday because
bring my birth certificate because more
this house is
No,
not
the problem is, how does this concern her that you are taking her away? Can you want to
wise one.
You guys had issues in the past. She has knelt down to beg you. You knelt down to beg her. There is peace. You are having issue with Joy now. You are involving her in the issue. Why were you involving her? Talking about the past. She went to see S. We never talk about that one past. That was last year.
Why you never talk about my own picking past? After people have
Why you bringing it up again?
Eat my baby, people are still bringing it up.
Who is you people that eat your baby?
You
No blood. No blood in the miscarriage. No hospital. No doctor to confirm. No test. No test. You get miscarriage, then you walk out of house with your 2 legs.
You see yourself? Hey!
Walk out of house with your 2 legs.
I know Waka come out, so
they carry for wheelchair.
They pick me.
Cripple for
They
them.
can't pick me in his mother's house.
Why would you be there? Why would you be there?
Why would I be there?
Which hospital you do?
Why would I be
Which
there?
hospital they carry you
It
go?
concern you. You dey look for blood.
I am ashamed of you.
I am ashamed of you.
Listen, let me tell you something.
I'm
Why
ashamed of you.
No, you could have
I
followed
think
me.
the best
From
thing that
the
will
when
solve
the
this
pregnancy
thing,
was 1 month, 2 months, if you don't follow me.
The only thing that will solve this thing, I will call Mary's parents. Call Joy's parents. They should come and carry their children.
Can I talk my final word?
Don't final anything.
Alex,
Mary,
my house.
Mary,
Calm
listen
down.
to. Don't tell me I'm
Anybody's
Don't
in
tell
your
me I'm
house.
your house. Shut up.
Can you not do your house alone?
But check on
Why
my
is your
son.
they call me?
Can I say the final
Why
Don't
you
say anything. But check on me.
I will
Why you dey
say-
call
Like
me?
you're calling me.
I will see.
Why you dey
what
call
I
me?
Check
want
on
to
Shut up.
say.
You
I
have
will
your
call
house.
the both parents. Let them come
And
and
you
carry
can't, you can't do a
My
final
parents. You can call me
I
anything you
will
want
call
to
my
call me.
kingsmen. They should
You can
come.
call me anything you want to call me. But right now, my brain is coming down, right? Waiting Mary and Wise One gets, I want to know.
Wait till you are picking with Joy.
No.
I don't understand. You see me sing Begere no me fight o.
I want to know the truth of this one and that divide it to
Get
another one.
Wait till you I'm more ordinary. I don't even believe in all this. Now, fun and I want the monster. Take me to anywhere you keep shrine. I will swear. We are going to swear together.
When her mother
If there
was
was
pregnant,
why
what
you
you
swear?
Don't like a
Why you
bobo.
swear?
Don't like a
Now, evil
bobo.
person you be now.
Don't like a
See this
bobo.
shrine.
See Babalawo.
Shrine where they go shrine.
Babalawo where they go shrine.
You they go shrine normally now.
Babalawo. Even if
I'm gonna cast you.
okay,
I will take it.
You want, I go
Okay,
cast
yeah,
you.
I will take insult.
Power.
I will take insult online, no problem. I will take
I go cast this man here.
I will
He
take
say
it.
go shrine.
David.
Shrine on his own, one go shrine. See this evil soul.
Are you with yourself?
There's nothing you can do to me.
Everybody
David, are you with yourself? Are you with yourself?
When they talk about her now, if they do style, they divert them.
I know that I
Did you
invite
buy
her.
I am trying to say, waiting Mary and Wise One
What
gets.
happened to my child?
Why did they
When
divert am
Mary
to
and
waiting
her
happen
mother
to
was threatening me,
Joy
what
child?
happened?
Nothing concern me concern Joy. Me and Joy no fit get. Nothing me and concern this one way there.
He concern
Nothing.
us.
Are you okay?
He concern
Don't
us
even go there.
because
You
you're
see how
asking
go
questions.
there.
You see how
As you're asking their questions, they're asking
I
questions.
have no business with you.
You don't need to have business with me. But you see, they're asking questions concerning
I have
our
no
child.
Our.
Oh, it's
Who's
not your
our?
child.
Madam, stay your lane. Go
No,
outside.
I don't need to start. We'll just let them walk out from here.
Then walk out.
Rubbish.
Walk out. Nonsense human being.
And of course, you're calling me nonsense.
What I want is waiting Mary and Wise One gets.
You cannot open your mouth and tell them this one now will carry her